Okay guys, so we are going to install this brass 4-port manifold to this spout here, and this is going to be a pretty easy process. I'm just going to remove this water hose here, and this is just a screw-on, and I'm going to demonstrate how this can allow for me to now use 4 hoses instead of just 1. Okay, first you want to make sure that the water supply is turned off. So this is my water supply right here. If I flip this vertically, it will allow water flow from down there to up here, and this water flow horizontally means it's blocking, so this is currently in opposition. Okay, so this is off, and I'm going to just hook this on. So this is just a screw on, just to make sure that you're lining up properly. These are both brass, and brass is it's a very soft metal, and because it's very soft, you have to make sure that you don't over tighten. I have a vice grip here with me, but I'm going to not use it. I'm just going to tighten it with my hand first, and if that doesn't cause any leak, that's gonna be good enough. I have over tightened brass many times before and actually break off the connectors and then causing a leak. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have this hooked up with 2 hoses. And to turn it on and off is very easy. All you do is just on this side, you turn it this way so that this is flowing, and to turn it this way to turn it off, I'll demonstrate here with this open one. If I open it, you see that there's water flowing, and then turn it off just like that. So I'm using only 2 out of 4, so this has been a pretty good project here, good product. I think this one is about $12, and there is no leak, everything is good. I really like it. Hopefully it doesn't break. Thank you.